Today, I'm shopping at Costco and there's so many new finds, I can't wait to show you. You guys, Costco did it. They brought back one of the best dupes that they have all year. This is the dupe for the Holcomb bag. It's priced at $37.99. If you are not familiar with this bag, it is a great bag. It comes on wheels. You can roll it like this. You can also pull it like this and stuff it with so much. If you have a kid going off to college, this would be great for them to put all their laundry in. This was also great for teachers to cart around a lot of items. Really, I feel like we could all use one of these bags. And not only do they have it in black, they also have a silver option. I would love to know which color you like best, either the black or the silver. Costco has an air fryer that's under $45. That's a pretty good deal. I don't know anything about this air fryer, but it's $15 off right now. The last time we were here shopping at Costco, I bought these Anthropologie dupe cups and I absolutely love them. They're still on deal, $5 off. I've been trying to use more glass and less plastic. This is a new item here at Costco. They're meal prep containers. There's 5 glass containers that come with lids priced at $24.99. Costco carries several appliances. This is a new one I haven't seen before. I love the Ninja products. This is the Ninja Blend Boss, and I think it's a great concept to blend up your smoothies. It comes with 2 different cups plus the base. Here at Costco, it's priced at $119. When I searched it on Amazon, it was $109, so a better deal over on Amazon. Now, if you'd rather pick it up on Amazon, I'm gonna put the QR code right here. You can scan it with your phone and it will take you to the Ninja Blend Boss. I would love to know if you guys have ever used these bug repelling fans. I think they're pretty interesting. Essentially, you put them on outside and it's supposed to keep the bugs away from your table. They have a 2-pack here for $15.99. We found a comparable price on Amazon. So there's several candle options out right now. These are new. These are a 2-pack of citronella candles. You could set these outside. I think they look really nice. You could put them on your coffee table or like your outdoor dining table. Those are $17.99 for 2. I also like these candles. These are new. They're priced right under $20. I will say I like 3 out of the 4 scents. The one that's not my favorite is this Fern and Bloom, but I like all the rest. I'm over in the decor section here at Costco. This is an item I haven't seen before. It's a whole container of tulips and they come with the vase and they're like stuck in here. So if you're wanting tulips that are ready to go, you could get these. They're priced right under $40. Now I have a tulip that I buy off of Amazon. It comes in a lot of colors. I like it better because I can repurpose it in different vases. I'll put a QR code right here if you're wanting those Amazon tulips. Now, if you're wondering about my set, you guys know I love a good set, and this one I think is absolutely adorable. Now, if you don't like the red, it comes in a bunch of colors. It's a great little sweatshirt. I did size up to a large because I wanted the shorts to be a little bit longer, but they come with pockets. You have a great little drawstring, and then I just paired it with some Adidas shoes. And if you're looking for my outfit, I'm gonna put the QR code right here. You can scan it with your phone. This storage set of containers I think is a great deal. You're gonna get 4 containers, 4 lids. They look like really good quality. They're priced at $7.99, you guys, because they're $2 off. Now, if you don't know how to put together your outdoor plants, you can buy them already put together in the pot at Costco for $34.99. And these are large planters and really pretty. Now, if you're like me and you struggle to keep these plants alive, you're wanting some faux outdoor plants, I'm gonna put a QR code right here. It's gonna take you to all of my faux outdoor plants that I love to purchase. These last year over year. Now, last time we were here, I showed you guys this Adirondack chair. They still have it. It's $189, and these last so well. They're just made really well with that polywood material, and I love the color. They have 2 lounge chairs to choose from. If I was picking, I would go with this style. I've had this style at my house for several years and it seems to hold up pretty well. I also like how it has a little bit of a curve to it. I feel like it's going to be more comfortable. I probably wouldn't go with this weave detail. I feel like this is going to not last year after year. So I feel like they're getting ready to put these out, but if you're in need of some deck tiles, they're $5 off. So these originally $24.99, you can get them $5 off for $19.99. This is gonna give you 8 tiles per box. Now this item I have not seen here at Costco before. This is a 6x8 artificial turf. It's priced at $109. I feel like I have to replace my outdoor pillows pretty frequently, so I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. I feel like these are a decent deal at $12.99. I like this black and white one. They also have a very neutral one if you don't want a lot of color. And then I also like the blue and white one. These swivel chairs are new right now. You can get both chairs $369 for two, and they swivel. I am loving all the great home decor finds out at Costco right now. You guys, these vases, are they not giving Pottery Barn? There's 3 different options for these large vases. They have great texture to them and in a really pretty color. You could put some of your own florals in here. These vases are gonna be right under $24. I spotted another new item. This 2-pack of pizza pans is under $20. I love a good fan in the summer. It has some great features. It's cordless, so you could use it anywhere around your room. It is $30 off, and it's by the brand Shark. I would love to know what you guys think. Is this a product that you would purchase? Now, have you bought a thermos in a while? They can be pretty pricey. I like this 2-pack of thermoses. They're priced at $22, but they're a little bit larger, so you could use them for kids' lunches, but these would also be great for adult lunches, and they come in several colors. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Costco. All the garden stuff is out right now at Costco, and this pack of these 3 garden stakes, they're on deal right now. You can get them for $10 off at $24.99. They come in all these really fun colors. If you're needing beach towels, run here to Costco. It's the perfect time to pick them up because they're $3 off, so you can get their large beach towels for $7.99. This year, we've been noticing that some of the higher end sites have solar lights that are mushrooms. Costco has their own version. They have this set of 3 glass blown mushroom solar lights. These are unique. I haven't seen these anywhere. They're solar rocks. You get a 2-pack for $19.99. If you're needing a trash can, this Kohler trash can is $25 off, making it right under $60. My store is overrun with the flowers right now. They're putting them in all of the aisles. But I did want to show you guys these backpacks over here because there's some name brand backpacks that are pretty affordable. They have a Nike backpack that comes in 4 different colors. They also have an Adidas backpack. So if you're wanting to get a jump on backpacks, they have this black and gold one. They also have this really pretty pink option. Now the Adidas backpack is $24.99 and the Nike one is under $30. Now at my Costco, they have an entire aisle of all their different coolers. If you guys were watching my last Costco video, I bought this one because we go to a lot of volleyball tournaments on the weekend. This cooler's been great. We've been using it at several volleyball tournaments. It fits a ton of food, plus you can wear it. You can put different things up here, so many compartments. So if you're needing a good backpack cooler, I definitely recommend picking this one up. But this is another new one. What I like about this one is it has 2 different compartments. So if you wanted to do food in one side and you could do your drinks in the other side, it could keep them separated. This is definitely the season to get your outdoor chairs. Costco has this one folding chair that they have $10 off right now, so it's right under $40. This one's cool. It's very compact, but it opens up and it has a table as well. I will say they are limited on their colors, so you will have to go with this green option if you get it here at Costco. If you're looking for some summer fun options, Costco has some wild things this year. This is a great time to pick up your outdoor summer items. This beach canopy, I think, is a great deal. They have it displayed up here. It's priced at $55.99. Now the sling loungers are $4 off for the start of summer. I feel like this is a good deal for these pool floats. You can get them $10 off right now. So you're gonna get 2 for $36.49. I know on Amazon, these would be more expensive. I'm loving these throw blankets. I feel like they're giving Pottery Barn. There's 3 different options. So you have this like cream one. There's also a great green option, and there is a blue one. I think I'm gonna pick one of these up. I'm just loving this throw blanket. I love the natural colors of it. I feel like it looks super high end sitting on my couch. These microfiber sheet sets are on major deal, you guys. This set, this is a twin or a full, $3 off is $7.99. They come in all these great prints. Now I don't know about the quality, but you can also get the queen size and they have the king size. This is new, these reversible rugs. I have not seen these before. So you get 2 different options on either side. They're $6 off right now, so you can get them for $11.99. They have the shorts out at the front of my store. Now these are a really thin short, but they're on deal right now. You can get them $3 off, but they're also carrying a Gap brand shorts. These are priced at $15.99. They do come in a bunch of different colors. Now, Costco is one of the only places where I pick up life jackets. You guys, they're on deal as well. You can get the kid life jackets for $5 off. These are priced at $19.99. A great deal. These are such good quality life jackets, and you can get them in different weight sizes. They also have a few of their adult life jackets as well. These are $10 off, so the final price is going to be $39.99. Blue Lizard is one of those great sunscreens that I go back to year after year, but it is kind of pricey, especially if you order it on Amazon. You can get a better deal here at Costco. I feel like this is a good deal. I'm needing some of these cotton rounds. You can get a 900 count for $12.99. They say they're premium cotton rounds, so hopefully they're good. I feel like these are gonna last forever. So usually I'll get these like premium ones at CVS, or they do sell them at Walmart. But I feel like these are pretty good quality, so I'm excited to use these. Just in time for summer, they have a waterproof dry bag. This is what it looks like over here. This is on deal. It's by Tommy Bahama. You're gonna get it $5 off, so it's gonna be $14.99, and it comes in a few different prints. Now, if you're wanting some real plants to put outside, these topiaries are really nice. These are priced at $34.99, which I feel like is a good deal for these topiaries. Now, if you're wanting something faux, again, I have these sitting out on my front porch right now. I'll put the QR code right here. They also have real ferns out right now for $25. And there's several options for the organic potting mix for $11.99. If you like sorbet, they have a new 12-pack that come in the real fruit shells, and they come in 4 different flavors. We love getting the Dots pretzels. There's something here at Costco that's a comparable price. These are a vegan butter braid pretzel. I'm absolutely loving this for the summer. So you can get these s'more kits here. They come in 3 different flavors. You can get a Hershey's caramel, they have the traditional milk chocolate, and then they also have Reese's. These little kits will make 15 s'mores. So we had to get the s'more kit, check it out, see what's inside. So let me show you everything you're gonna get. You're going to get 2 packs of graham crackers. You're also going to get marshmallows, 3 packs of the Reese's peanut butter cups. You get 3 of the caramel Hershey's, and you also get 3 of the milk chocolate Hershey bars. Now, if you're making s'mores inside, I like to use my little s'more maker. This is from Amazon. I've had it for years. If you're looking for it, I will link it for you down below. Plus, I'll put the QR code right here. It's super simple to do. All you're gonna do is fill up this part with a little bit of water. Now, these little hands are essentially just to hold your s'more down while you're making it. So you want to pull the hand back, and then you can build your s'more. All right, so put 1 graham cracker down. Then we're gonna add a Reese's peanut butter cup, and then we'll add on 1 marshmallow, top it with another graham cracker, and then I'll place this to hold it in place. Next, I'm gonna place this in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now, usually 30 seconds is enough. You can always put it on there a little bit longer. You just want to melt everything. But once it's melted, it just looks so good. Costco just got in these new sweet fish. Now, these are supposed to be healthier for you because they don't have dyes, they have reduced sugar, and they're naturally flavored. Now, if you're a fan of Built Bars and you like sour, they have a new option here at Costco. These are Built Bars. They come in this blue raz flavor, and then they also have a sweet peach punch. The Nature Valley protein bars are $5 off right now, so you can get them for under $10 and you get 30 bars. How cool is this giant Guess Who game? It's priced right under $90. They also have a giant Kerplunk and Tetris. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Costco. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.